Hi, John Waters, Internet Manager over at Village Chevrolet in Wayzata. Here I've got a new 2010 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab Z71. It's LT. It's got 18-inch off-road wheels, paint to match body side molding. It's 21 miles per gallon on the highway. MSRP is $40,295. Has all the best options in it, including dual zone climate control, AM, FM, XM, plug-in for an MP3, CD, adjustable pedals, parking assist, even has a backup camera that displays over in this portion of the mirror, home link buttons for your garage door, OnStar, 6-speed transmission with tow haul mode, leather wrap steering wheel with cruise and Bluetooth and audio controls. Lots of room in the back with the seat folded up or down. This is a full crew cab, 4-wheel drive, Z71. Backup assist, backup camera, trailering, flex fuel. Give me a call, 952-449-6791. John Waters, Village Chevrolet, and our internet team will get you set up with this brand new Chevy Silverado Crew Cab.